Spring break is here, and my local grocery store has all the fresh in-season fruit I need to create a delicious, easy snack kids will love. Today, we're making fruit nachos. Start by adding Signature Select blue and blackberries, chopped melon and fresh strawberries. Toss in Signature Select diced green grapes and mix all together. Lay out a layer of cinnamon sugar pita chips for the base. Then sprinkle the fruit evenly on top. Finish with a drizzle of sweetened condensed milk for that irresistible final touch. It's crunchy, juicy, sweet, and completely customizable. Perfect for sharing with the whole family or keeping all to yourself.